Hi guys! Welcome back. Ngayon ay magluluto tayo ng hapunan. Pork loin back rib. Ayan. So ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon para sa aming hapunan. Ayan. Tapos may isang apple ako dito. Ikakat ko ito para ilagay natin siya sa crockpot. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ilalagay ko guys. Ayan. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, at saka salt. Ayan. Pero tanggalin ko muna yung plastic. Ayan. So, ayan guys, natanggal ko na yung plastic niya. Ngayon ay, ayan, so tatanggalin ko muna to guys. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ayan, so ito yung tinanggal ko. So, ayan, kinat ko siya guys ng 2 piraso. So, ayan. So, ilalagay ko yung apple muna saka yung pork. Ayan. Ayan siya. Guys, tapos, ganyan siya. And then, so, ayan na guys, oh. So, ayan guys, lulutuin ko siya ng 4 hours. Tapos, nilagay ko siya sa low. Ayan. So, hayaan ko lang yan siya hanggang 4 hours. At maluluto na yan. Ayan.
Guys, habang naghihintay tayo na maluto yung ribs, ay ihanda muna natin itong fries at saka bread. Ayan, meron tayong isang bread dito. Ito yung gagawin nating garlic bread. Ayan, so ikakat lang natin ang bread tapos lalagyan ng garlic salt at saka butter. Ayan. So, ayan, nalagyan ko na yan ng butter both sides. Ayan, so ngayon naman ay lagyan natin siya ng garlic salt. So, ngayon guys, ay baliktarin natin kasi para yung kabila naman ang malagyan ng garlic salt. Ayan, luto na ang ribs. Ngayon ay lagyan na natin siya ng barbecue sauce.
I'm excited. I think this one is longer. A little bit long.
Where's my new song? We need free Star Wings.
Where'd you get that one from?
We need free Star Wings to play my song again.
Yeah.
Free Star Wings. So set up all the wings together.
So like the picture goes into here. And then look at him. This guy's almost invincible. I believe that this might be able to win me
These are the
almost
yellow
every game.
wings. These are supposed to be the yellow
Pokemon
wings.
tournament. Just
We
if
need
I
that
can
one.
get like a ton enough energies.
Okay? Yan, put in there.
Tapos, lagyan ng barbecue sauce ay ilagay naman natin ngayon sa air fryer for 20 to 25 minutes.
at that. That's yummy. Look at that. Oh, bread is ready.
That game I'm putting is going soon.